When you think about the concept of a team player, you might automatically jump to visions of your kid playing baseball or soccer or some other organized team sport. However, being a team player isn't just for the field, it's also an important life skill. Participating in group sports is a great way to help your child learn how to be a part of a team, but there are also some other ways you can encourage her to be a team player. Whether your child is involved in sports or not, being a team player is an important part of life. As a child gets older, he's going to find himself on many different teams. Whether it's working together on a project with classmates, playing a board game with friends, or just playing a game of tag at recess, all of these activities call for a sense of camaraderie and cooperation. It's important to teach your child how to win and lose, with grace, no matter what type of game he is playing. Here are 3 ways to encourage your kids to be a team player, that you can do off the sports field. Plan partner or group activities. Give your child ample opportunities to participate in activities that involve others. This could be something as simple as playing a board game, building a living room fort with her siblings, or doing a jigsaw puzzle with some of her friends. The point is, these types of activities help your child learn how to work on a common goal with others, which helps teach him important skills like cooperation and teamwork. If problems arise during these group interactions, make sure to take the time to talk them through with your child and model appropriate behavior and responses, so she can learn how to handle these situations on her own in the future. Teach and practice grace. It's understandable that your child wants to excel at the things he does, and when it comes to competitive activities, everyone wants to win. What is important is that your child knows how to win, and lose, with grace. In other words, no, ha ha ha, I win, aloud. Suggest various phrases your child can use when he wins or loses a game, such as, "Great game, guys, we all played really well," or, "Wow, that was a close game, we all were giving it our best." If he wins, make sure he knows it's okay to be proud of himself, but it's not necessary to rub it into anyone else's face. If she loses, encourage her to always congratulate the winner. Mistakes aren't the end of the world. Teaching your child that mistakes are not a reason to get angry with herself or anyone else is very important. First of all, you don't want your child beating herself up for a mistake she's made, but you also don't want her to get angry with anyone else that might make a mistake. Show your child examples of people that have made mistakes and still come out on top, or how we learn from our mistakes and become even better at what we do. The fact is, mistakes are a part of life, and your child will make mistakes well into her adult years. Therefore, the best thing for her to do is learn to expect mistakes to happen, learn from them, and move on. Key takeaways. Being a team player is an essential life skill, whether you play sports or not. Give your child many opportunities to participate in group activities. Teach your child to win with grace, and to lose with grace by teaching her good sportsmanship skills. Mistakes are not the end of the word. Teach your child how to learn from them. When your child is a team player, she opens herself up to more opportunities and healthier relationships. To help teach your child important skills like good sportsmanship, teamwork, and other essential life skills, tune in to ThinkJr Creations for thoughtful and character-building videos and more. You'll find lots of great resources that can help you and your children work together toward a happier and healthier life.
If you liked our videos, please like and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.